Hey, how's it going? It's Chris, Mr. Moneyfingers Haddad here, severely unshaven, but I'm going to do this testimonial for my good friend Ken anyway, because it doesn't matter how unshaven I am. It only matters how wonderful and badass of a man Ken actually is. I've known Kenneth Yu for 15, 16 years or something at this point. We got into marketing and copywriting around the same time, and it has been such a pleasure over the course of both of our careers to kind of pace each other on our way to the top, to watch Ken move on from working for other companies to developing his own thing. I disappeared for a few years due to some mental and physical health issues, and when I came back, it was so incredibly cool to see the heights that Kenneth Yu had ascended to as far as becoming not just an amazing copywriter, but an amazing copywriting teacher as well, and having so many students learn from him. Just recently, as I'm recording this, I decided it was finally time for me to do my own copywriting and storytelling course people have been asking for so long, and Kenneth was one of the first people I made sure to get onto the phone with and get onto video with to ask for his advice on what I was going to do as far as the name of the program, as far as what kind of program it was going to be, as far as the price that I should charge, everything. He was incredibly helpful to me, and he's somebody I have tremendous respect for as far as his marketing mind and just as a human being in general. What a wonderful guy. So Kenneth, thank you so much for being in my life. Thank you so much for being my friend, and thank you for your advice over the years. I look forward to making more money together in many years to come.